we have visual on the fractures. Maintain tension.
Acknowledged. All teams report status.
Hold it steady. Watch the tension. Signal the crane. Bring it up slowly. Secure the forward lines now. Starboard side clear. Watch the tension on that chain. Keep the tension on those chains. Don't let her dip. Easy with her now, easy. Get that chain locked down tight. Lower her slowly, watch the starboard side. Steady on the port.
Secure your harnesses.
Watch your footing on platform 4.
The lift is steady now.
Steady as she goes. Take up the slack on your line.
All right, moving up slowly. We need the high pressure hose up here next. All right, I'm bringing it up now.
Log that rust near the bulkhead connection.
Copy that. Surface integrity compromised. Hold it right there, a little further to the left. Perfect, bring it down.
Pressure valve is within tolerance. The coating seems stable around this section.
Copy that. Moving to the next bulkhead.
transformation is remarkable.
Absolutely, the quality here exceeds specifications.
We are ready for the next phase.
The thermal gradient looks good here. Yeah, the penetration seems solid across the plate. How's the alignment on tray 4? Looks good from here, steady as you go.
Continuity check on panel 5-9er.
Reading green. Secure the clamp.
Clamps fastened, moving to the overhead tray.
All right, lift on 3.
Check the pressure on panel 4.
Reading nominal, sir. The hydro actuators look good. Water flow is steady and clear. No leaks on the mount.
Roger that. Make a note on the clipboard.
Readings are stable on the auxiliary panel.
Confirmed. Torque set to specifications.
The pressure readings look stable on this deck.
Confirmed. Section 593 is clear.
Systems check on bulkhead 593 confirmed. Reading the same here. The renovation is holding beautifully.
Switching sequence complete. Confirming active status on screen 4.
Acknowledged. Data looks nominal. Keep monitoring, sailor.
Helm, steady on course 290.
Steady course, aye.
Reroute auxiliary power to main ballast control.
Acknowledged. Cycling the bus ties now.
Hull plating looks solid at section 4. Copy that. Moving to the stern now.
All stations report ready for launch.
Bridge confirmed. Ready for flooding.
Bridge, maneuvering. Slow ahead.
All engines answered, sir. Slack on line 3, hold steady. All right, steady on 3.
All stations report status.
Stern line's taut, Cap. We have flotation.
Clear to proceed.